Hello viewers, welcome to math class. It's math class for grade 4. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you. How are you today? Munachi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Alright, you're welcome to the class for today. Um, this is the maths work that you will do, okay?
Okay.
Alright, when you finish, you send it to me. Okay, so you were saying something about number 3.
Yes. I don't understand what number 3 is like trying to tell me
No,
about.
it says Mrs. Burton often catches a bus from Hoxton to Brixhall. Sometimes she takes bus A, and sometimes she takes bus B. Okay. How long does the longest bus ride take? Yeah, it's asking you for the time, the duration of the bus. But if you don't understand, you can skip the question, just put down the question and we'll look at it together, okay?
Okay.
You sent only one page, right?
I need to send another page.
Okay, go and send it. Alright, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Number 13 or the first question says, where does the number 26 belong in this sorting table? Okay, in the sorting table, we have you know, some description, even numbers in the first cell, and this will be even numbers that are multiples of, multiples of 3 will be here.
How?
Hold on. Even numbers that are multiples of 3 will be here, okay?
Okay.
But 26 is not a multiple of 3. Odd numbers will be here, and 26 is not an odd number. Multiples of 7 will be here that are even numbers. But 26 is not a multiple of 7. And multiples of 7 will be here that are odd numbers. Also 26. So 26 does not belong anywhere.
Yeah.
So now David has a shaded pentagon and a clear pentagon. As shown below, it reflects the clear pentagon in a horizontal mirror line, okay, and places it on top of the shaded pentagon. Okay, which of these shapes could be the shape David makes?
I didn't know how to draw a pentagon, so it looks kind of weird.
No problem, it's just 5 lines. Now, the one that it reflects is the clear one. So, if I reflect this clear one, like I bring it out here, I could reflect it. It said along horizontal line. That means I'm flipping it vertically, and then it turns down. Okay.
Oh.
Then, since it turns down, then if I put this one, it's gonna have that shape inside. Let me try to draw it and see what it's gonna look like. Gonna have something here, which is the base. Use smaller. It's gonna have something here that will stand for the base of that other one. Can be, so let the base just extend out a bit. Then it will have two sides, okay?
Okay.
Two sides here, like a side to the right and a side to the left, but that means my line is two. So I could start from this one and okay. So this line, then this line, okay. Then this could be the base, and it's gonna be up here, okay.
Okay.
So the only difference is that the inside is gonna be that gray color, gray color. So it's gonna put it here. So which of the shapes do you think?
I think
That,
it's
that is
C.
C. Very good. C.
But I
So
didn't write C.
yeah, no problem. So then Mrs. Burton often catches the balls from Oxton to Brixton. She sometimes take A or B. So how long does the longest bus ride? So which one is the longest? Let's see. Bus A will leave by 9:44 in the morning and arrive at 10:56. What's the duration? That is 10:56 minus 9:44. So this is 2, this is 1, this is 1 hour 12 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Then the bus B will leave by 11:39 and get there by 12:48. So 12:48 minus 11:49. 48 minus 49 is not possible. You borrow 1 hour, that's 11. Here, the 1 hour you borrow is 60. If you add it to 48, you get 108, okay? So 108 minus 49 will be what? That means 18 minus 9, then this is going to be 9 minus 9 minus 4, that's 5. So this one is 59 minutes, while the other one is 1 hour. So which one is the longest? The 1 hour 12 minutes, right?
Yes.
It said how long does the longest bus ride? So bus A is the longest bus ride. That is, it says in minutes, 59 minutes. 59 minutes. Which of these calculations will give an odd number as the answer? Okay, to give an odd number, the two should be odd numbers, okay?
Okay.
So, if you multiply, the two should be odd numbers. Otherwise, if you want to add and get odd number, one must be odd, one must be even, okay? But to multiply to get odd number, you know there are multiplication and there are additions, right?
Yeah.
So if you are adding, if it must give you odd number, one must be odd number, one must be even. But if both are odd numbers, you get even number. When you add, and if both are even numbers, you still get even numbers. So D and E are out of the options, okay?
Okay.
Then we now have to consider A, B, C. For A, B, and C, both numbers you're multiplying must be odd numbers. So what's the answer?
A.
A, that is A. So
I chose A. I sent you another paper. Oh, never mind.
See,
You already have it.
so 10 children in class 6 were asked to give their favorite color. These are the results. What is the most popular color? How many red? Count. 1, 2, 3. So the reds are 3. How many blue? 1. Only one blue, right?
Yeah.
How many green? 1 and 2. 2 greens. How many silver? I
One.
think it's only 1. How many purple? 1. How many red?
One.
2. 2 red. Then how many gold? That's also 2. So the highest is red,
Red.
right? Yeah, red. So that will be the answer. So this is 1, 2, 3 out of 5. So 3/5. Alright, I'm going to send your homework over, okay?
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Alright viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to the channel for updates on future videos. Goodbye for now.